So today we're going to be condensing my envelopes. As you guys can see, my binder is super bulky and we don't want this to pop. So we do have to remove the small bills and replace them with bigger bills. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alrighties. So we do have a lot of $100 bills inside our month ahead, and we have to pull out $2,000 and replace it with a funds in the bank. So this is basically saying how much money I am putting into the bank for this category, and then putting this card inside the envelope so we know how much money we have for this category. Alrighty, so let's see how much we have. We have $2,201. Let's just take out 201, and that's what we're going to put inside the envelope. And then let's put this here so we can condense the other categories. All right, so 201, and let's add the funds in the bank. Month ahead, 8/16/25, and then this is $2,000. Okay, let's see, for emergency fund, we have $626. Let's see what we can condense here. So once we reach $1,000, that's when we put the money in the bank. So we haven't reached that yet. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And then 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let's see. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 25, 6. Personal savings has $508. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So we can put this back and grab 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. $508. Kids savings. Let's see. We have 20, 40, 60, 80. We can do a 50. So this is 80. We can do a 50, a 20, and then a 10. So it's only like a bill short. So 100, 250, 70, 80, 280. All right, cart maintenance. It has 89, 20, 40, 60, 70, 580. Let's do 50. Grab a $50 bill, and then we have 20, 25, 30. 31, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can do 2 10s. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do a 5. All right, let's see. So 50, 70, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why am I missing a dollar? 50, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Okay. For our annual, this is 114, so we can grab a 10. Yep. 114. Okay, for birthday, we only have 25. That's fine. For back to school, we have 17. Actually, we made an error for the last video. We're supposed to only add 16. So I'm going to grab this one and put it where it belongs. So that's 16. Pet insurance, 20, 40, 50. So we can grab a $50 bill. So it has 61. And then Holly Jolly Christmas. We can switch this to the $100 bill, 55, 60. We can grab a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grab another 10 and then $2 bill. Okay, so this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I forget something? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 650. I think I forgot to grab a $100 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 7 and 8. Whoops. 50, 72. Oh no, it's in there. Oh my God. I'm like, wait, I'm missing $200. Okay, it's in here. So let's just put this back since I grabbed it already. Okay, adventure. Let's see, 20, 40, 50. So let's grab a $50 bill. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that should be okay. Yeah. So we're also going to do our holiday binder. I have to condense. Let's see, this is just because, and this is where the dollar was missing. So we have 2 10s. We can do a $20 bill. And that is 42. I need to fix this card. I made an error the last video. So this is 42. Okay, now let's do our holidays binder. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Valentine's, we can do 20, 30, 40. So do a 20. Anniversary, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We can do a $50 bill. Let's fix this. Okay. Parents' Day, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Holiday decor, it's 2 10s. We can do a $20 bill. Happy Fall, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Gobble Gobble, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We don't have any more 50s, but we can do 20s. So 20 and then 20. Actually, we might have, let's see, in my wallet, I actually have a 50 in here. Let's see. Gas, self-care. Okay, we don't have 50s. Alrighty. Winter fun. 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's do 2 20s. Why does it look like that? Okay, Easter. 2 20s. Ugh. And then I think, oh God. Spring fun, we can do a $20 bill. And then that's it. All right, y'all. And then this is all we are depositing into the bank. So let's make sure there's $2,000 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,400. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,500. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,600. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,700. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,800. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,900, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And that is $2,000. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Adios.